Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crack repair epoxy is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or contractor dealing with concrete damage. Concrete cracks, if left unattended, can lead to serious structural issues, making timely repair crucial. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and applying the best epoxy crack repair products, ensuring your concrete surfaces regain their strength and longevity. Number 5. PC Products 72561 Concrete Epoxy Adhesive Paste. This two-part epoxy adhesive paste is designed for anchoring and repairing concrete. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications, providing a strong and reliable bond. The product excels at filling cracks in concrete and anchoring various items. It's formulated to handle threaded rods, bolts, and dowels, ensuring a secure hold. Its high-tack paste resists moisture, making it suitable for damp environments. You can confidently use it in vertical applications without worrying about it running. The product can be applied in temperatures ranging from 35 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. It also maintains its integrity in service temperatures from -20 to +115 degrees Fahrenheit. You get a 20-minute work time and a 4-hour cure time at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for efficient application and quick results. This product meets ASTM C881-99 standards. It is an excellent choice for both professional and DIY projects. What we like. This product is excellent for both anchoring and repairing cracks. Its moisture-resistant formula makes it perfect for damp environments. If you have a project that requires both structural reinforcement and crack filling, you should consider this. What people say. Quick cure, very easy to work with, very strong. Sealed perfectly. The epoxy hardens almost rock-like in about 4 hours. The epoxy is about 11.2 times as hard to pump out than RTV silicone. Covers well 1/4 inch by 1/8 by 1/8 by 8 foot easily. Number 4. RadonSeal 10-foot DIY Foundation Crack Repair Kit. Tired of drilling? This kit allows you to repair cracks without any drilling. It's designed for minimal disruption, making the repair process easy. Applying this is easy. You can use a standard caulking gun to inject the urethane. This makes the process accessible for any homeowner. Even the smallest cracks are no match for this. The specialized urethane permanently seals them, preventing water seepage and further damage. Avoid costly excavation. You can repair cracks from inside your basement. This maintains your home's exterior appearance and structural integrity. This kit does more than just stop water. It also acts as a barrier against radon and soil gases. It safeguards your basement environment. What we like. This kit offers a drill-free injection method, making it incredibly easy to use. It effectively seals cracks and acts as a barrier against radon gas. If you are looking for a simple, non-invasive solution to protect your basement from water and radon, this is the one. What people say. This kit is well thought out, including from the crucial standpoint of safety. It comes with splash goggles and 2 pairs of protective gloves. They even tell you about the trick of putting on both pairs at the start of the job. The instructions are quite clear and easy to follow. This kit had exactly enough for the job. This did fix the leak. I waited until after several gully washers. The patch held up and no water came in. This is an awesome product. It is messy but it works. Have extra gloves, extra spatulas, paper towels, and stuff like that. Selected RadonSeal polyurethane based on a lot of research and the recommendation of a friend. I washed the R with Dawn, a miracle product, dish soap and water, and when that dried, I washed it down with a sponge and rubbing alcohol to get it as clean as possible. Used the water bottle provided, and flushed each nozzle and crack from top to bottom until clear water flowed. Started at the bottom nozzle as directed, figuring a minimum of 4 minutes at each nozzle. We have had 3 major storms of 3, 2.5 and 2 inches and some minor rains of 1, 2 or more. Previously, the wall would have seeped with each and every rain. Since I used the RadonSeal product, nothing. No seeping, not even a sweating where the crack is. I can tell you from past experience I would have had some water puddle on the floor, or in the lighter rain some sweating on the crack, but after the treatment, nothing. The wall is completely dry from top to bottom. Number 3. Rust-Oleum 301012 Concrete Patch and Repair. Are you tired of unsightly cracks and holes in your concrete? This product is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It's the perfect solution to restore your concrete surfaces. This two-part epoxy creates a permanent bond. It's designed to be industrial strength, ensuring it won't shrink or crack over time. This ensures a lasting repair. Need a quick fix? This product cures quickly and has no unpleasant odors. You can get the job done efficiently without any lingering smells. Want to customize the look? You can paint or coat the surface in just 8 hours. This allows you to seamlessly blend the repair with the existing concrete. This product creates an extremely hard surface. It's designed to be stronger than the concrete itself. This ensures durability and longevity of the repair. This is a universal product. It works with any concrete coating, giving you flexibility. This makes it easy to match the existing finish. What we like. This product uses industrial strength epoxy for a permanent bond. It cures quickly and can be painted or coated in just hours. If you like a quick and easy solution that allows you to finish your project without delay, you should consider this. What people say. Epoxy bond to concrete is tenacious. Cured coating is tough and durable. It's easy to work with and it dries rock hard. Number 2. PC-Masonry Epoxy Adhesive Paste 32 ounces. This two-part epoxy adhesive paste is designed for masonry repair. It's perfect for replacing missing concrete or filling cracks in deteriorating masonry. The formula resists moisture, allowing it to be applied to both wet and dry surfaces. This makes it a versatile solution for various repair scenarios. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. The application temperature range is 35 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can withstand service temperatures from -20 to +200 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-sagging paste is easy to work with. It can be applied on horizontal and overhead surfaces without dripping or running. Once fully cured, it can be painted, stained, or even machined. This allows it to blend seamlessly with the existing surface. What we like. This two-part epoxy is specifically designed for masonry repair. It can be applied on both wet and dry surfaces, and its non-sagging formula makes it ideal for overhead applications. If you have masonry damage and need a versatile product that can handle various conditions, you should consider this. What people say. It is great to work with and set up hard as concrete. It's easy to spread into small cracks. I found this material is easy to mix, has at least the advertised working time and cures as stated. Number 1. Simpson Strong Tie Edipack 10 KT Crack Repair Kit. This is the Simpson Strong Tie Edipack 10 KT Crack Repair Kit. It's designed to fix cracks in concrete, making it a reliable solution for your repair needs. With this kit, you can ensure the longevity of your concrete structures. The kit uses a special crack injection epoxy. This epoxy is formulated to effectively fill and seal cracks, preventing further damage. It's a key component for successful concrete repair. The epoxy has a low viscosity, which is important for effective crack repair. This means it can easily flow into the cracks, ensuring complete coverage. This feature is crucial for a lasting repair. This product is specifically designed to repair cracks in concrete. Whether the cracks are fine or medium width, this kit can handle them. It's a versatile solution for various concrete issues. The low surface tension allows the epoxy to penetrate even the smallest cracks. This ensures that the repair is thorough and effective. The product's ability to reach into cracks is a significant advantage. What we like. This product features a low viscosity, allowing it to penetrate even the finest cracks. It's specifically designed for repairing cracks in concrete. If you have fine to medium width cracks that need repairing, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Kit has excellent CD with instructions, watch it before you begin. The kit contains a video CD with detailed instructions. The steps of paste over are really straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.